Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see if you are experiencing crashes in Fortnite Chapter 5 Season 3 on your PC. It could be due to a variety of reasons, including outdated drivers, software conflicts, or incorrect game settings. Here is a comprehensive guide to help you fix these crashing issues. As the error mentioned, you have experienced multiple crashes with the DirectX 12 rendering mode beta. Consider switching to DirectX 11. The first step, we are going to change DirectX 12 to DirectX 11. For that, you just need to open up Epic Games and launch the Fortnite. After opening the game, you just need to press in keyboard escape key and select the setting gear icon over here and go to video tab, and in here you can able to see the rendering mode. If you have set to DirectX 12, then that's the case, you got the crashes guys. You just need to change this to DirectX 11 and then select apply and select restart now and check if the problem solved or not. The second step is to update the graphics drivers. Outdated or corrupted graphics drivers are a common cause of this game crashes. To update the graphics drivers, you just need to open the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience, then you just need to check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, you just need to open the AMD software, select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After doing this, just close stuff here. The third step is to verify game files. Corrupted game files can cause crashes. Verifying the integrity of game files can fix this. To do this, you just need to open up Epic Games, click on the three dot icon next to the Fortnite and select manage. Select the verify option. After getting done, just close stuff here. The fourth step is to update Windows. Ensure your Windows operating system is up to date. As updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. To do this, go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After getting your up to date, just close stuff here. The fifth step is to adjust in-game settings. Lowering the game's graphics settings can help reduce crashes caused by high system load. To do this, you just need to open up Fortnite and press in keyboard escape key and go to settings. In here, select the video option and you just need to lower the settings like resolution, texture quality, shadows, and disable features like VSync. You just need to turn off the VSync and scroll down. Rendering mode set to DirectX 11, or you can set it to performance, lower graphics fidelity, and scroll down. Motion blur, turn it off. Shadows is set to off. And global illumination, turn it off, and reflections, turn it off. View distance set to near. Textures, select low. Effects, select low, and post processing set to low. And advanced graphics, you just need to disable all these features guys. After disabling all these features, select apply to save changes and select the restart now option. And after restarting the game, you can check if the problem solved or not. The sixth step is to disable background applications. Background application can interfere with Fortnite. Disable unnecessary applications and services can fix the problem. To do this, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Go to Startup Apps. In here, you need to disable any unnecessary application starting from startup. Just right click on it and disable it. After doing this, go to Processes tab, and in here you need to end task the unnecessary application running in the background. After doing this, just close stuff here The seventh step is to run Epic Games and Easy Anti-Cheat as administrator. To do this, you just need to right click on the Epic Games and select Properties. Select Compatibility tab and check mark Run this program as an administrator and select Apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to open the Epic Games and go to Library. Click on the three dot icon next to Fortnite and select Manage. Select the folder icon. In here you need to go to Fortnite game folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, easy and cheat folder. In here you need to right click on the easy and cheat and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you can try launching the Fortnite and check if the problem solved or not. The eighth step is to adjust virtual memory. Increasing virtual memory can help if your system is running low on RAM. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type sysdm.cpl. Comes up a control panel item, click on open it. Select the advanced tab and select the performance under settings. Select advanced tab under the virtual memory, select change. In here you need to uncheck this option guys, automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Uncheck it and in here you need to select your C drive in this list and select the option custom size. In my case I already selected the custom size. You need to select the custom size and installer size. You just need to check my description for these values used in my video. Depending on how much RAM you have, you just need to copy the value and paste it. In my case I have 16 GB of RAM. Copy and paste the installer size value and maximum size, copy and paste the value depending on how much RAM you have. Just like this. After pasting it, select set to set these values. The values will be shown here and then select OK. To save changes, select OK. Select OK. And it will be ask you to restart your PC. You just need to select the restart now option and restart your PC. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of Fortnite crashing in Chapter 5 Season 3 on your Windows PC. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.